Port Harcourt, Abuja, Frankfurt is today's flight with an Airbus A340-300. Yeah, uniform acceptable. Don't forget the hat and, get the luggage ready. Love jet noise. Absolutely. And then we're going to be picked up by Cockpit towards our crew bus. Yep. Thanks a lot. There we are. And on the way towards, Port Harcourt International Airport. And some impressions, from Port Harcourt during sunset. Some may ask why we are flying Port Harcourt, Abuja to Frankfurt. And some destinations don't have so many passengers that we can do a daily flight to that destination. So we combine two destinations. We have several of those in Africa and Asia. There was an open passenger door. I don't know if you saw that. And lots of vehicles have those open passenger door here in Port Harcourt. Maybe you know the reason why. Yeah, a little bit of rain on the way. And from this gas station, we are almost there. There we are at the International Airport of Port Harcourt. Thanks a lot for getting us safe here and for getting the luggage out of the van. And we're on the way towards our gate. So, Garden City Airport. One escalator up and then we're almost there. Just approaching the Golf Papa, our plane that takes us to Frankfurt tonight. There she is. Very beautiful. Yeah, few impressions from the outside check here in Nigeria. Looking absolutely fine. Almost perfectly parked there in a sneak view into our cabin. This is the premium economy class. This is our economy class. And of course, into the business class, my favorite seat, 5K, always choose the window seat. So preparations in progress here. Prepare the routing. It's a 45 minute flight from Port Harcourt to Abuja. And once everything is prepared, doors are closed, we're going to be pushed out of this position. Starting up our 4 engines, the pushback truck is disconnected. Got a clear signal, then we're on the way towards runway 21 here in Port Harcourt. You can see it's quite dark, no taxi line lights, but you know what's coming now, original sound, original speed for the takeoff.
On runway 21.
Thrust is set. One up. V1. Rotate. Here. Yeah, as we already experienced on the landing, the runway is kind of rough here in Port Harcourt. Nevertheless, beautiful departure. This is the city of Port Harcourt, some oil fields down there, and then we are on the way towards Abuja, the capital of Nigeria. Some thunder showers on the way, but far west of our track, so beautiful sight, but no problem with our routing. Just no thunder showers in our way towards Abuja. Then we are already starting our descent, heading directly towards the airport. Do a right turn pretty soon on the downwind, just passing by the city of Abuja. And afterwards we do 2 left turns. Just join the base leg for an ILS approach to runway 22 this evening here in Abuja. Yeah, the second left turn. There is the runway and we're on the glide slope and of course as well original sound, original speed. So just sit back, relax and enjoy the landing.
100 above. Minimum. 200, 100, 50, 40, 30, 20, retard, 10, 5.
Voila! The reverse is Yeah, arrived safe and sound in Abuja, and you saw maybe the poppy lights on the left-hand side. They were all white, which is acceptable when you're below 200 feet. They're not reliable there anymore. They were absolutely correct when we're just starting our descent on the Ardis approach. There's the follow me, and another right turn. Echo 4 is the parking position tonight. And yep, thanks a lot for guiding us in.
Parking brake with shocks.
Here, parking brake is 6.
And here's the routing to Frankfurt, Niger, Algeria, Mediterranean Sea, Genoa, Milano, Stuttgart. Frankfurt, 5 hours, 20 minutes. And now, listen to the weather here in Abuja.
Wind 340 degrees, 3 knots. Visibility okay. Temperature 32, dew point 23, QNH1011. Trend, no significant change. End of information, drop res.
Yeah, information, bravo. So did you understand everything correctly? All right, perfect. We started up our engines in the meantime, taxi out towards runway 22 here in Abuja. There's one traffic landing right there. And then it's our turn. No waiting time for us today. So clear lineup, clear takeoff, sit back, relax, enjoy the takeoff.
On runway 22.
I have control. Hotflex 52 SAS, runway, out of thrust.
One and a half.
Check.
V1,
Rotate. Cross F5.
Gear up.
Here.
Enough.
Yeah, we have a liftoff into the night and then a right turn towards the north. Yep, another right turn pretty soon. Then we're on the way towards Europe and a bit cloudy, but no thunder showers directly on the way, just left and right of our track. You will see in a minute. We're just climbing to our cruising altitude, and then there the light show starts to the left of our track. Those amazing thunderstorms. Those are really, really huge at the ITC in Africa, and those clouds are absolutely no problem. Fluffy clouds, a bit of cloud surfing, and as I said, the thunder showers next to our route. Thanks a lot to our wonderful crew for those leftovers, and we are continuing the flight into the night. Already between Algeria and Tunisia, just approaching the Mediterranean Sea, and yeah, as you see, yeah, to the left, airports in Algeria, to the right, Tunisia. 38,000 feet, everything is running smooth, and expected arrival time just about 6 o'clock in the morning. There is Sardinia, the Italian island in the Mediterranean Sea, and the next is Genoa. You can see the coastline. There is the city of Genoa, and we're continuing the flight towards the Alp Mountains, and this is the city of Milano down there. Yeah. Some crossing traffic. The sun starts to rise, and we're almost overhead the Stuttgart. So presently there is the Lake of Constance. This is Stuttgart Airport to the right, the city in the background. This is Sindelfingen. So if you're driving a Mercedes-Benz, maybe it was built right there. And Stuttgart once again from above. Yeah, Leinfelden-Echterdingen, the airport, and to the left, the city of Stuttgart. And yeah, go to Sindelfingen. Yeah, there it is, the headquarters of Mercedes-Benz, and most of the production was done there. Beautiful sunrise this morning. We're heading towards Frankfurt. Bit fast forward. And we're approaching the city of Frankfurt and the airport to the left. We'll get a bit closer to that, but this is how it looks like on a Flight Radar 24 image. Just long downwind, as you see. There are a few aircraft already approaching Frankfurt before our arrival time at 6 o'clock noon. Frankfurt City to the right. This is Frankfurt Airport with a new Terminal 3 just in the foreground. This is the downwind we're flying, and then just doing the base leg. Yep. And on the final for runway 7 right this morning, as you see number 5 on the ILS approach. This is how it looks like. There was the airport. There we are on the downwind, cross the Rhine River, do the base turn, and then we're on final approach. The city of Mainz below, the Rhine River again. There's already traffic on the German Autobahn. This is Rüsselsheim if you drive an Opel. It's coming from there. And this is the runway. Sit back, relax, enjoy the landing.
300. 100 above.
It's it.
Minimum.
Continue.
100. 50, 40, 30, 20, retard, 4.
Yeah, arrived safe and sound this beautiful morning. There was a slight wind shift or increased crosswind from the right. You might saw it during the landing, and to correct just with a small correction on short final. So taxiing towards a position on the apron this morning. A left turn pretty soon. We're just waiting for the follow me car. Yep, there he is. Left turn here. Thanks a lot for guiding us in. All right, perfect. Bye, see you next time, and hopefully it's Marius, the next flight, but we'll see. And I think it's time for the last checklist.
Securing the aircraft checklists. Oxygen.
Off.
EMAR Electrolytes.
Off.
EFBs.
Off.
Und Batteries.
Off.
Securing the aircraft checklist complete.
Simulators.
Feierabend.
Feierabend, end of duty. Thanks a lot to our Golf Papa for 2 uneventful flights from Africa to Germany. Close the door, and goodbye to the Star Alliance livery. Take a quick picture, and then we're on the way. It's a beautiful morning, gorgeous sunrise. The Help Alliance A321, very beautiful as well, and this of course as well, the A340 600. Yeah, then we're almost there. This is the crew base. Yep, thanks a lot for getting us safe here. Sneaking into our building 100 years of Lufthansa. And from this to this, good night from Frankfurt.